Your PMP exam day is here. Are you nervous? Don't be, because we have a very powerful tip to help you get over the exam. Mastering time management. Let's break it down. You have 180 questions in the exam, and overall exam duration is 230 minutes. Every question is worth 1 point, and there is no negative marking. So don't get stuck on a single question. If you are unsure of a question, attempt it as per your best judgment. Flag it, move forward, and come back later if needed. Don't let one question derail your timing, no matter how tough or comprehensive it may look. We have broken down the best approach for flagged questions in a separate video. Check out the info card. We have a time management formula for you. The 180 questions in the exam is submitted into 3 sets of 60 questions each. Divide your 230 minutes among these 3 question sets in 75, 75, 80 minutes. Within each set of 60 questions, dedicate 60 to 65 seconds per question for the first pass attempt, and keep the last 10 to 15 minutes to review the flagged questions. Stay calm and trust your preparation. If stuck, eliminate the 2 possibly wrong answer choices and go with your best judgment using BMI mindset between the remaining 2. Don't skip your 2 optional 10 minutes break. Rather use them wisely. Step away, breathe, eat something, have some water, and reset your focus for the next section. Time management is your secret weapon. Apply these useful tips in your PMP exam and thank us later. Don't forget to follow OTTC for more PMP tips. See you later.